The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating online and in certain communities. According to this theory, a group of powerful individuals and organizations, often referred to as the New World Order, are secretly manipulating world events to establish a one-world government that will oppress Christians and impose a satanic agenda. Proponents of this theory argue that vaccines are a key tool in this alleged plot, citing various claims about the supposed dangers and side effects of vaccines. They often point to the fact that many vaccines are produced by large pharmaceutical companies, which they claim are controlled by the New World Order. These companies, according to the theory, are using vaccines to spread diseases, poison people, and even implant microchips or other tracking devices. Some also claim that vaccines are being used to target specific groups, including Christians, with the goal of reducing their population or controlling their minds. They point to the fact that some vaccines are made using cell lines derived from aborted fetuses, which they see as evidence of a satanic plot to promote abortion and undermine Christian values. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. The overwhelming scientific consensus is that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases. Numerous studies have been conducted on the safety of vaccines, and none of them have found any evidence to support the claims made by proponents of this conspiracy theory. In fact, vaccines have been widely used for decades to protect people against serious diseases such as polio, measles, and influenza. The World Health Organization, WHO, and other reputable health organizations have extensively tested and validated the safety and efficacy of vaccines. The production and distribution of vaccines are also subject to strict regulations and quality control measures to ensure their safety and potency. Moreover, the idea of a satanic New World Order using vaccines to oppress Christians is based on a flawed understanding of the relationship between Christianity and the pharmaceutical industry. While it is true that some pharmaceutical companies have faced criticism for their business practices and ethics, there is no evidence to suggest that they are part of a satanic plot to control the world. It is also worth noting that many Christians and Christian organizations have spoken out in support of vaccination, recognizing its importance in protecting public health and preventing the spread of diseases. In fact, some Christian denominations have even established their own health organizations and initiatives to promote vaccination and improve healthcare in developing countries. In conclusion, the claim that vaccines are being used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory that has no scientific or factual basis. The overwhelming evidence supports the safety and efficacy of vaccines, and there is no credible evidence to suggest that they are being used as a tool of oppression or control. It is essential to rely on credible sources of information and to approach claims with a critical and nuanced perspective, rather than perpetuating unfounded and misleading theories that can cause harm to individuals and communities.